Hi, I'm Paul Rudd. I didn't see you right there. Please step into this artificial kitchen and learn a little bit about what I eat when I'm trying to shrink down to the size of a carpenter.
29 is the new 54, at least for actor and comedian Paul Rudd. He isn't just a fitness junkie, he's shattering expectations of what's possible after 50. There's only a little difference between his 1995 looks in Clueless and his 2018 movie, The Ideal Home. Rudd is no ordinary actor. His ripped physique fits into any role, and his skills on and off camera get everyone talking. In this video, you'll discover 4 of Paul's fitness principles that keep him going. That is, his sleeping schedule, diet, supplements, and exercise routine. I can't promise you millions of dollars to hop onto Bryan Johnson's anti-aging plan, but I can show you a cheaper alternative. Stay tuned till the end to know how Paul Rudd achieved his present looks.
It's stay disciplined to a point, because you've got to live your life. I think those are two very different things.
At 54, Paul Rudd is ageless. He looks like a superhero in real life, as much as he embodies Ant-Man on the big screen. But no, it hasn't always been this way. When it was announced he would be a superhero, many people doubted his skills. It sounded off to see him in a superhero costume. Of course, it did look like comedy. But then, Paul was undeterred by what people said. He swung into action immediately to prepare for the role. He understands the importance of dieting and physical exercises, but has discovered a secret. People often take this simple trick for granted. I'm talking about sleep. Paul says that one of the best ways to get in shape is to pay attention to your sleep. No doubt, this trick works for him. The question is, how well do you sleep? Paul Rudd told Men's Health in 2023 that he gets 8 hours of sleep each night. Whenever people approach him, they ask about his meal plan, workout routine, favorite drink, etc. While these are essential parts of his training, Paul considers Sleep King. He stated that those who set their alarms after only 4 hours of sleep to give themselves more time to train are selling themselves short. In fact, they are doing themselves a disservice. What do experts say about sleep? A sleep expert and consultant, Nicole Eichelberger, says a consistent sleep schedule is essential for good sleep quality. In other words, our body has a natural circadian rhythm that adjusts to our sleep habits. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, your body follows this rhythm. Sticking to a sleep schedule reduces stress and increases energy levels during the day. Another way to improve the quality of your sleep is implementing a screen-free hour. This allows your body and mind to unwind after a stressful day. During this hour, engage in calming activities like writing, meditating, or reading. This promotes relaxation and facilitates deeper sleep. Paul's sleep is supplemented by a healthy diet. Back to his Ant-Man story. When Paul got the role, he was working out harder than everyone. Ironically, they appeared better than him. He knew he needed to do more about his diet. The first thing he did was change his diet and workout routine. He started training and eating like an athlete. He completely abandoned sugar and alcohol. Instead, he ate vegetables and proteins. It was uncomfortable at first, but he loved it later. The new diet was completely different from what he was used to. He didn't think that living a healthy lifestyle would be so fulfilling. In another interview with Men's Journal, Paul Rudd broke down his diet into each meal. His trainer, Richard Lewis, made it happen. He ensured Paul's diet wasn't too extreme and merged with his workout plan. The focus was reducing bad carbs and adding good fats and protein. Paul starts with a breakfast of 3 eggs, coffee, and oatmeal. As for his mid-morning snack, he consumes a protein shake and a handful of almonds. Paul eats a salad with 6 ounces of protein and 4 ounces of sweet potato or rice for lunch. He always incorporates the carb source every other day. He does the protein shake with a handful of walnuts for a midday snack. And for dinner, he enjoys 8 ounces of protein loaded with vegetables. This diet is crucial for him and his career. As an actor, he has to mold into different characters. Just as he did for Ant-Man, he went out of shape for his role in Living with Yourself. He enjoys the flexibility that a good diet offers him.
When I'm in it, I can stick to it. And when I'm off of it, it's really hard to get back into it.
And next is Paul Rudd's Ant-Man supplements. Aside from his carefully constructed diet, Rudd is a big fan of supplements. These supplements boost his efforts in and out of the gym. And the best part? They are natural. So, what are the components of these supplements? First is whey protein. He drinks whey protein shakes daily to gain lean muscle mass. He also consumes branched-chain amino acids. This goes in after his meal. This supplement enhances satiety to avoid overeating. It is also a great fat-mobilizing thermogenic, aids muscle recovery, and reduces post-workout soreness. Another supplement Paul swears by is creatine. Although creatine is found in red meats, it is great for taking on days when other proteins are consumed. Creatine promotes faster recovery time, strengthens muscle gains, increases energy, reduces bloating, and improves cognitive brain functions. And of course, multivitamins make the list. Embarking on a strict diet with an active lifestyle is a big deal for the body. The immune system may be compromised while the body gets used to the changes. However, high-quality multivitamins ensure optimal vitamins and nutrients in your system. These supplements keep Rudd going, even with his intense schedule. Paul Rudd's final Stay Fit, Look Young routine is his full-body workout. It's arguably the most hectic trick to staying healthy. Unlike other superhero actors who copied Chris Pratt or Chris Hemsworth's fitness regimen, Paul had to learn his from scratch. He started as a beginner at the gym. Yes, it was initially intimidating, but he began by familiarizing himself with gym equipment and the exercises. His routine is easy to follow. It is centered around toning and fat loss. It also includes daily cardio and functional strength training and mobility exercises. His goal is to become faster, stronger, and more agile. This goal requires lots of body fat reduction around the waist, including muscle gains on the legs, arms, and chest. The timing of these sessions is as important as the exercises. He begins his day with 40 minutes of cardio, breakfast, and weight training. His workout ethic is second to none. Let's talk about his daily cardio routine for a bit. If you live a sedentary life, the only cardio you're used to is short walks to your bus stops. It is insufficient for your daily requirement for a healthy heart and blood circulation. Cardio doesn't have to be intensive. However, if you are easily stressed, the best cardio you can do is to achieve at least 10,000 steps daily. Most smartphones have built-in pedometers to help you track your steps. Swimming is also a fantastic type of cardio workout. A 1-hour weekly swimming session alongside gym workouts can fast-track your fitness results. Gym cardio is different because it is more intense. Paul Rudd starts his day with 40 minutes of gym cardio. He uses equipment like a bike, a treadmill, a stepper, or a rowing machine. The aim is to increase fat burning right before breakfast. High-intensity training like gym cardio is beneficial. They help to raise your metabolic rate and burn fat after you've exercised. They also improve oxygen consumption, strengthen the heart, increase stamina, and reduce blood sugar. If you need to stay healthy and fit, implement some form of daily cardio into your lifestyle. Now, this is the part you've been waiting for. What is Paul Rudd's functional training routine? This routine incorporates lots of jumps, rolls, and flips. It comprises body weight movements and resistance exercises that reflect the physiological demands of real-life activities. Many years ago, people chased food for survival or chopped wood for winter. Today, our functional strength and agility have been lost with sedentary lifestyles. Paul's functional training strengthens stabilizer muscles to support larger muscle movements when weight training. This is Paul Rudd's 7-day functional training plan. He builds his strength on Mondays. This routine includes barbell back squats, barbell Romanian deadlifts, leg raises, jumping push-ups, wide grip pulls, and planks. He focuses on endurance on Tuesdays. For this day, he does split squats, rope pulls, sit-ups, calf raises, leg raises, farmer's walks, and barbell shoulder presses. Paul rests on Wednesday. His functional training routine resumes on Thursday when he trains for explosiveness. He does lunges, dumbbell flat bench presses, box jumps, overhead clean and press, bent over barbell row, and side planks. On Fridays, he trains for speed and agility. The routine includes weighted lunges, dumbbell shrugs, leg raises, ab crunches, calf raises, and time sprints. Saturdays are a free mix. He blends exercises from the weekdays into one. The Saturday routine includes pull-ups, triceps dips, ab crunches, squats, push-ups, etc. Paul catches his breath on Sundays. So these are Paul Rudd's fitness secrets. Are you feeling inspired to make some lifestyle changes? If you found this video helpful, enlightening, or just plain entertaining, please subscribe. And don't forget to check out our video on Bryan Johnson, who wants to live to 200. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe button for more health tricks like this one. See you in the next one.